Hello everyone, in this video I will show you how to create AI influencer Tensor art. These days it is very common for people to create influencers that aren't real. These are AI generated and are used by real people, mostly on Instagram, where they can earn money. First, you have to go to your browser and search for Tensor art. Once you are on its platform, you will see this interface. Initially, it might ask you to log in, and you can simply do so. There you will find a variety of different templates and models that you can use. Since we are here to create an AI influencer, we need to choose a model that looks realistic and is also free. Make sure it doesn't have an exclusive option, as that would be paid. The AI influencer should look hyper-realistic just like actual humans, so you will need to explore and find one that fits this criteria. If you can't find the one you are looking for, you can also search for it. If you have your model, ensure it's hyper-realistic before using it. Once you have found a suitable model, click on it and its profile will open. Now click on the remix option and its profile will open. On the left side, you will see the model, and on the right side, you will see the prompt. This model is public, meaning anyone can use it to create the same AI influencer. If you want yours to be unique, you will need to make changes to the prompt. You can completely change it if you would like, but keeping track of those changes might be difficult in the future. So I suggest making some alterations to make your character unique. You can also make adjustments in negative form by specifying what you don't need. After that, choose the aspect ratio, as Instagram typically prefers the square format. Then, skip the unnecessary options and select how many pictures you want. Once you have made your selections, click on Generate Now. You will be asked to sign in if you don't have already. Since we have chosen 4 results, it will take around 2 to 3 minutes to generate the images. Once the images are created, you will have 4 different pictures of your AI influencer. One can be used as a profile picture, while the others can be used for posts. You can continue to make changes in the prompt and create more photos, repeating the process to maintain your AI influencer's profile on social media. To download the images, you can use the batch download option or click on each image individually and select the download option. When making changes to the prompt, it is essential to avoid changing the entire prompt at once to maintain the unique style of your AI influencer. Focus on making minimal changes to the style and appearance. That is how you can create an AI influencer with the help of Tensor art. Thank you everyone for watching this video. Hope you got some value. Make sure to like the video and subscribe to the channel to get notified of new videos.